Hide online status in Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can easily hide your online status in Roblox. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply tap onto your Roblox icon in order to launch Roblox. So I am currently demonstrating this using an Android device. So once you have successfully entered your Roblox account, you need to click onto this more button at the bottom right. So once you click on this more option, you will see an interface like this. Now from here, simply scroll down until you see settings. So simply click on the settings option and you can see the following menu. Now in this menu, you need to click onto privacy and content restrictions. So once you will do that, it will open a new set of page. Now in this page, you will need to click onto this visibility and private servers. So once you will do this, you again need to choose visibility from here, and from here you can see online status. So in online status you can simply set it to no one, and now your online status will be disabled and no one will be able to determine whether you are online or offline. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.